Imagine gazing up at the night sky, wrapped in a soft blanket under the shimmering stars, with a cool breeze gently embracing your skin. There, in that vast expanse of darkness, a small red dot pulses with mystery and possibility. That dot is Mars, our neighboring planet, and it has captured human imagination for centuries. Is there life on Mars? This question tickles the curiosity in all of us. The idea that there could be other forms of life, living their own stories on a distant world, feels like the plot of an epic saga waiting to unfold. Back when I was a kid, I remember lying in my backyard, the sweet scent of freshly cut grass in the air, and thinking about what it would be like to walk on another planet. I had this old telescope I'd peer through, imagining Martians waving back at me. Those moments sparked a wonder in me that never quite went away. And today, as I delve into the very real possibilities of life on Mars, it's like those childhood dreams are beginning to take shape. Let's journey together into this cosmic mystery. Mars, with its rusty red appearance, is our solar system's own desert landscape. Picture it, dusty plains stretching infinitely, towering volcanoes that make our Mount Everest look like a hill, and canyons that could swallow the Grand Canyon whole. The landscape is simultaneously strange and familiar, a distant cousin to deserts here on Earth. But beneath its cold, rocky surface, Mars whispers secrets that scientists are eager to unravel. For years, we've sent robotic explorers to Mars, like trusty scouts braving the unknown. These machines, with names like Opportunity, Spirit, and Curiosity, have roamed the Martian terrain, sending back postcards of a world so eerily still it almost echoes. They found signs that Mars wasn't always the arid place it is today. Imagine ancient rivers carving their paths across the surface, lakes shimmering under a gentle sun, and maybe, just maybe, tiny organisms thriving in those waters. The notion of life on Mars isn't just science fiction. It's rooted in our quest to understand life itself and its resilience. Here on Earth, life finds a way in the most unlikely places: deep sea vents, harsh deserts, and even radioactive mine shafts. Tiny microbes thrive where nothing else does, hinting that life can be incredibly adaptable. So if life can persist in these extreme environments, why not on Mars too? Our curiosity drives us to dig deeper, literally. Consider the Mars rovers, with their little drill arms, scooping up Martian soil like curious children on a beach. They've discovered complex organic molecules in ancient rock formations. Picture organic molecules as the alphabet of life, not quite spelling out the word life, but certainly forming the letters. These findings don't confirm life existed, but suggest the ingredients were present. Think about it like baking a cake. You gather flour, sugar, eggs, all the right ingredients. They don't make a cake until they're mixed and baked, but their presence hints at the delicious possibility. Similarly, Mars has the right ingredients, and now we're playing detective to see if they were ever baked into something living. The quest for life on Mars also invites us to reflect on our own blue planet. It's a reminder of Earth's uniqueness, the delicate balance that supports life as we know it. But it also poses questions about identity, legacy, and coexistence. What would it mean for humanity to find life beyond Earth? Would it change how we view ourselves, our place in the universe, or how we treat each other? Imagine for a moment the impact of discovering life on Mars. Suddenly, we're not alone. Perhaps life is a common thread throughout the cosmos, woven into the fabric of the universe. It could shift our perspectives, urging us to cherish our differences and celebrate our shared existence. And then there's the tantalizing thought of future Martian settlers. Picture humans living there, building communities under translucent domes, growing food in alien soil, and creating new traditions. The sounds of laughter echoing through those structures, the taste of a tomato grown under the Martian sun, the feel of regolith underfoot as children play in low gravity. All these sensory experiences connect us to the idea of life beyond Earth, not just in the form of tiny microbes, but through human exploration and expansion. As our scientific journey continues, so does our emotional journey. We take steps towards understanding life, identity, and purpose, both here and among the stars. Mars invites us to dream, to reach, and to hope. It beckons us with the promise of discovery and the endless possibilities of what's yet to come. As we wrap up this journey, I encourage you to step outside tonight, breathe in the cool night air, and glance up at the stars. That small red dot, Mars, holds a universe of stories waiting for us to uncover. And maybe, just maybe, as we continue to explore, we'll find that our questions about Mars are really questions about ourselves, our resilience, our curiosity, and our place in the grand tapestry of the cosmos.